I don't even know what to say. It's been forever. What do you say after so long? Welcome back. Hi guys. So first things first, I'm not naked. I have on a little dress because I don't want to get my actual clothes dirty. I don't know how people do makeup on with their actual clothes, but I commend you because I get way too dirty. So today I am, well, if you're new here, hi, my name is Christy and welcome back. I received my box from BoxyCharm yesterday, so I was like, let me open this. And then I was sitting here and I was like, let me film this. So yeah, back with another video after 6-7 months, something like that. But here's the box. You guys know about BoxyCharm subscription. Every month you pay, I think it's 21 now. I don't know, I have the Boxy Luxe and the BoxyCharm, so I believe it's 21 though. Don't quote me, I'll put it somewhere down there. So this month the box theme is totally, I'm gonna be rusty as hell, just so you're aware. All right, so we got a few things in here. First thing I do see before I apply my foundation is we have a Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Bring out skin inner's radiance with our illuminating oil. So it's an oil. So it makes me very oily. And my skin, oh, it's so cute, it's pink. I don't really think it smells like anything, but it looks very juicy, so to say. So I'm gonna put this on the outer where my makeup doesn't. There's a fucking fly in here. Oh, hello, nice you to join me in here. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on my cheeks and on the outer of my face where I don't usually get, I know y'all see that, where I don't usually get, I'm gonna have to get them. 1 second. Fly 1, Christy 0, just so you're aware. Next up would be powder, so I'm gonna do my foundation. Yeah, I'm gonna do my foundation, and then actually I'm gonna show you the foundation because a lot of you wanted to know how I was feeling about the Smashbox. We partnered up with Smashbox. I work with Glam Squad, and this month putting this on our clients. Sorry, I'm trying to get something. But disaster, guys. I can't find my oil. I used this already, and you guys know that I like Me But Better looks, so it felt a little bit too full coverage for me, so I wanted to thin it out with some oil to give you guys my opinion on the foundation. But I can't find my oil. We're gonna use this foundation just because I want to show you how it looks. There's so much going on right now. You're only supposed to use like a Tic Tac size amount. Oh man, so much squirted out. All right, but I did like how it looked and how it lasted. I just felt that it was a little bit too full coverage for me. That's not something that I'm usually used to. But it didn't feel like full coverage, if that makes any sense. It felt very lightweight. So I'm just gonna add a drop of my aloe hyaluronic acid, literally just one little drop on the foundation that I have there. And in the demo that we had, they said that we can use oil and manipulate it and it won't break down the foundation. So I'm eager to see that because you guys know I like juicy skin. So let's see how this works. Already that feels better to me. And you need to blend like really fast. Like this foundation, wherever you put it, it will stay if you do not. It is 24-hour. She does not play. Another thing I did notice is that if you do not get, I'm sorry, my mirror is over here. I apologize. If you don't put the right color on yourself, like if you don't color match correctly, you're screwed because it is 24-hour waterproof. So try to get the color as accurate as possible before putting it on the face. But I like it better with the oil. I don't know how it'll hold up, if it'll hold up just as good. I can let you know later in the description box. So here's how the skin looks. Honestly, the foundation looks flawless. Flies back. I'm being attacked here. Oh my god. Alright, so next, I'm gonna do concealer. Add some, I'm gonna do some concealer, add some shadows in my eye, and then I'll be back. Alright, concealer is on. Next product, for concealer, I just use the, who are you? Laura Mercier, the Flawless Fusion in a 3W and a teeny tiny dot of Tarte Light Neutral. These are the two that I've been using lately. So the next product we have is Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I've heard a lot of things about this, not all good. So I really hope that it doesn't sabotage my makeup right now because I gotta go outside. So let's see. And the product, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you. This is full size, $39. She's cute. The Wonder Glow was $42. So just right there, you got your product double, triple, insane. So I think I have this. Hold on 1 second. Lightweight powder. What? This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Okay. Has a little like tapita so that your powder stays inside. I feel like all companies should do that. Whoa! Alright. Let's see. And it's supposed to feel like very cool and like refreshing underneath the eye. I have my brush and I'm using a Morphe E49. Oh my god, it does feel cold. How do they do that? That's weird. It literally feels like I'm putting water underneath my eye. Oh my god, that's fucking weird. Sorry. That's bombs. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this, you need to. Just so that you can feel how weird this is. It is very dry though. She left my under eye a little crunchy. We got some shadows. This one is Huckleberry. Let me open it. She's cute. And then we got French Vanilla, which looks very silver to be French Vanilla to me. But okay. And these run for $25 for the two. I don't know if I should be using a brush or... Yeah, we're gonna use my finger. So I'm gonna get in there and... Yeah, much better. I have the silver in the inner of the eye. Whoa. Blend in really nicely with your finger. It's like so easy to apply. Like I can see myself using this like a quick 2-minute makeup that I need to do. Let's curl my lashes. I see that the foundation is starting to separate where I put the powder. Sabotaged me. Let me show you. Well, not that way. Right there. My Too Faced Born This Way powder. And see if I can fix this. Since it is a foundation powder. Still looks fucking dry, but that looks better. Alright, let's add add my mascara. We got Tarte Big Ego, and this retails for $23. She's pink. I guess the whole box is like pink themed. Brush. She's massive. Not my favorite mascara, honestly. I feel like Lash Paradise gives me more lift from L'Oreal. I don't feel like it does anything for my lashes. No, they're just sad. Alright, I'm gonna add my lashes, finish the rest of my face, and then alright, face is done. The last thing in the box is a lip liner, which is $15. And let's see how she does. You guys know I already have my nude combo that I like live, die, and breathe for. So let's see how this one does. You know, I hate this packaging. This plastic, like, ¿por qué? Why? Why do companies still do this? If you can't just like seal the lid. Alright, the pencil looks cute. She looks expensive. It feels a little hard though, I won't lie. Let's see. And you guys know I love to overline. It's my jam. Don't call me out. That's what I like to do. It's a little hard. The problem I'm having is wherever I put more pressure, the liner comes out obviously darker, but then it doesn't go anywhere. Let's see if a brush helps. Using the brush definitely helped. That is the lip. Honestly, not my favorite. Don't know if I'll be using it again. Alright, so my lashes. I didn't even tell you about my lashes. So I've teamed up with this company and it is a monthly subscription, kind of like the brushes that I do and the BoxyCharm, one time a month. So you get 2 set of lashes each month, $15. I have a coupon code for you that I will put somewhere here. But your first month is free. Did you hear me correctly? You're free. Welcome. Go sign up. Put my code so you can get your first month for free, and then try them out. See if you like them. Honestly, listen. They look super bomb. They look like luxury lashes for uber duper cheap. And every month you get to pick which 2 you want. You can pick the same set if you honestly fall in love with the set. It's pretty damn good. I've been loving the wispies, which is what I have on today. Kind of what I've been wearing all week. And I've used them 3 or 4 times already, and they don't look raggedy or janky. So I'm impressed. So I figured I would share with you guys here since I did share it on Instagram. But yeah, I'm not a fan of this lip at all. The mascara was a complete flop for me. Skin products, you have to try more than once. I'll give you an update on that. The shadows were good. They performed. They did a good job. The powder, I might have to try this another time. Maybe less makeup. Maybe the foundation is too full for this powder. But yeah, I don't want to give up on her because I liked how it felt underneath my eye. I liked the cooling sensation. So I won't give up on her yet. But first impressions, she kind of like broke apart my foundation. So that's not a good. It's not a good. But yeah, I am going to start my day now. I have a couple of errands to do. I'm I would check with you guys on Instagram so you guys can see if the foundation with the illuminator primer underneath was better for you guys. But that's it. That is this month's BoxyCharm unboxing with some extra stuff in it. Just because I haven't been here in so long and you guys are demanding so much on Instagram. Instagram is kind of where I'm at. I throw pictures here and there on Snapchat, but Instagram is where I am. So if you want to, you should be following me. Follow me. I will put it here somewhere. And yeah, don't forget to hit the bell so you guys do know when I post new content, since it's every 6 months, you know, so you're updated or whatever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you loves in the next one.